Alright guys, what's happening? It's 10:15, or almost 20 past 10, 13th of August. And we're up about $221 on this position that I've taken this morning at about 8:30 or something. I don't know, I can't remember the previous video. I'm still anticipating it to reach a decent profit level, which is around, let's just see if this thing pops up. Yeah, about $500 for the day. But it's playing fairly decent from where I got in. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on that trade that I took, just to show you how I apply the price action analysis to my trades and what I teach my students on how to trade and find simple opportunities like this in the market every day so that you can profit every day. I mean, there are different ways of trading, guys, but I fairly teach everyone a very simple way of trading, how to spot opportunities like this daily and how you can take advantage of these positions and how you can profit from it. You don't have to sit in front of your charts every single day. You can take one position in the morning and one position in the afternoon. It completely depends on the trade plan the trade plan that I set up with you, depending and determining your schedule and how you can work around it to actually find opportunities like this daily, right? My approach is fairly simple, and most of the students that I teach and coach, they sort of learn very quickly. It all depends on you as well, so it's not completely reliant on me. I will basically show you what to look for, how to get in, how to get out, when to get in, when to get out. And yeah, it's very straightforward. A lot of guys are struggling with their trading. A lot of guys are trying to do this on their own. It takes time and effort, guys. It takes a lot of effort if you're trying to teach yourself this. It takes a lot of time mostly, and frustrating time. So it's helpful to get guidance from someone that's experienced, that's sort of looked at these charts, spent a lot of chart time on it, and determined and formulated a simple strategy where anyone can basically just place a trade in any opportunity that they see and just take advantage of it and profit from it, right? So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a roundup on that trade that I took. I mean, there's still a lot of leg room for it to reach my target of a year, about $500. Okay, but that should happen later, and I'll send out some pictures on the results of this trade. But just to give you a fair idea of how simple and easy I apply the trade strategies to my trades, which is what I teach my students, this is just fairly simple, right? So guys, 17th of August is coming up now in the next couple of days. So try to get involved if you can. And there's still, this is a promo that we're pushing till the 17th. So if you want to get involved, if you want to meet with me in at the office out in Black River Park in Observatory, just give me a shout, drop me a message, and we can work something out for you. Okay, so just to give you an overview, we're looking at about 271 so far. It's 20 past 10. It's about two hours later on that position that I took, and I'm going to end this video right now. All right, guys, have a nice Monday, and I'll speak to you soon.